Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to make a simple tea time snack recipe. It is bread bhaji without stuffing. In a bowl, take 1 cup of besan flour. Let's know the benefits of besan flour. Regulates blood sugar level, decreases cholesterol and helps in better elimination in maintaining muscle mass and strength. To the besan flour, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, mix them well, salt to taste, adjust chili powder as per your taste, pinch of turmeric powder, it gives a good color, pinch of cooking soda, pinch of hing, mix them all together. Add water as per your need and make it into a semi-thick batter. Don't make it too thick or too lean. Now take a slice of bread and cut it into half. Now just dip the slice of bread into the batter. Once the oil gets heated up, just drop the bread and fry it until it is slightly golden brown. Fry them until it is golden brown in color. And now our simple tea time snack is ready. You can serve this along with green chutney or tomato sauce. For green chutney recipe, just check out the description. Try this wonderful recipe at your home. Instead of buying outside food, pair this kind of simple recipes and serve your kids. They enjoy eating it. Always eat healthy, stay healthy. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for simple and healthy recipes. Thank you.